got before?
What?
Like, you go for, like, told your girlfriend, fine, never come back.
It's almost on the top. God. My earrings gonna come out?
Huh?
My earrings gonna come out?
You got back on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, guys, rock, paper, scissors for a countdown of surprise. You ready?
Just go. That guy's amazing! He's such a dick. Oh my god! Oh, that was the... Oh, this is so tight. Look at this. Dude! Oh my god! I'll definitely do that again.
That guy is the biggest.